you think it's spelled? You never heard of the song? Anybody heard of the song Independent?
No, not at all.
So how did you learn how to, you know how to spell independent?
I think so.
Okay, try it.
INDPE.
No, you're missing a letter. INDEPENDENT. Do you know what that means? Y'all ain't never heard that song before?
Oh, it's a that song.
You heard that song?
Yes.
Oh, you ain't never heard that song?
I heard that song.
So that's how you spell independent. They taught you how to spell independent.
No.
You never heard that song?
I've heard
Messiah has.
Mistaken.
Yeah, there you go.
It's a long.
I don't know why the word is long. Yes, they taught you how to spell independent. If you sing that song in your head, then you know how to spell independent.
I still know.